Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This part here, I'm just making the piston rings for the low pressure. So on the drawing, it says to turn 1/16 oversize of the bore. So I've got 2 inch, so that's 2 1/16. Now I've got to bore the inside out. Obviously when I cut that and it's springing 1/16, the whole inside, you can see that recess there. Obviously I've got to allow a little bit more so when it squeezes together. So I'm going to bore that out now. 2. I did a lot of measuring in that, so now I have to turn the inside 1.905 inches. So let's get going. It'll take a while. Nearly there. Let's give that a measure. I've set my verniers to the right. Yeah, a little bit more. Well, I'm just going to part this off. we are. Just find that. Right, so that's one piston ring. What I got to do now is cut that and then offer it up in the bore. See how much I got to cut off to make that spring into the bore. So I'll just do that. Right, so you can see I've trimmed the piston ring and it fits lovely in the bore. I have actually tried it on the piston and that fits lovely as well. So now I've got 3 more to do. The other one for that side of the piston on the low pressure and both for the high pressure. Right. Right, so that's both piston rings for the low pressure cylinder done, and they fit nicely on the piston as well. Now I should just get on and make the 2 piston rings for the high pressure cylinder, and I'll get back to you. So that's the 4 piston rings on the pistons. Now I've got to get them into the cylinders. Right, I got the piston rings on the pistons. They slide in and out nicely. So I was hoping to get all the studs in round there. Making the piston rings took a little bit longer than what I thought. So I'll do that in the next video, and then their slides. Please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch scale Fowler Showmans traction engine.